Hello.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. What is your good name?
Yeah, how are you? Shaija.
Shaiza.
My name is yeah.
Okay, okay, Shaiza. And where are you from, Shaiza?
I'm from Karnataka.
Okay, great. Okay, Shaiza, since when you are using this app?
Yeah, I'm 5 months.
Are you getting me? What?
5 months.
Okay, okay, since 5 months.
Five
So,
months.
yeah, 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 yeah. How is
Yeah,
your?
since 5 months I'm using this one app.
Okay, how is your
Yeah, it's
experience?
good.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, expectation is okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and
Yeah, here I every beginners. Yeah, it's important in some platform.
uh-huh.
Yeah,
Uh,
what about you?
yeah, my name is Abdul Ahad and I am from Bihar. It's Madhubani district of Bihar, and since a few months I am also using this app, and I feel it's good for beginner, and it's good those person who want to enhance and increase their communication skill. So it's a good app. Okay, and what are you doing?
Yeah, good. I'm just woke up.
Means I'm talking about your career. Means are you a student or doing any job?
Yeah, no. I'm student. We just tried first year.
Okay, okay, okay. You are studying in PG.
Yeah.
Okay. And how many language do you know apart from English?
Yeah, 5 languages.
Five language. Great. One is Kannada,
Yes.
Hindi.
One is Tamil. Yeah,
Okay.
Tamil,
Tamil all.
Telugu, Kannada. Yeah, I
Okay.
can understand Malayali, but I can't speak
Uh-huh.
Malayali. One for Hindi, one for little bit English.
Okay. It's a beauty of Indian that they know so many languages. It's great.
Mhm.
Okay. And means may I know about your hobbies?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
my hobbies is painting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm going to adventure places.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
What
What
is
about you?
yeah, my hobbies. I'm bookish person. I love to read book when I get time, when I free and I get time. I love to read book and also make my means video surfing internet. Okay, to get information. Actually, yeah. So it's my hobbies.
Okay. Are you job holder? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Student.
I'm job holder. I'm educationist. Okay. And yeah, I am teacher, government teacher in Bihar.
Oh, great. Okay.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
have.
you have already cheated. You have knowledge about that English. Why you learn like
Sorry.
you know about English? Why you learn English in
Actually,
specific?
yeah, yeah. Nowadays, English is not only for career. It's necessary for if you want to enhance your personality. If you have knowledge to speak English, then you feel that you are a global personality. Okay, you are a global
Yeah.
citizen, and nowadays the world is going to be globalized, and everywhere, wherever you want, you may go if you have a speaking skill, nice speaking skill. Okay, and you comfort everywhere among the globe. Yeah, means world. Therefore, it's a necessary. Okay, no doubt, without
Yeah.
English you
Everyone
may,
is.
yeah, no doubt, without English you may do every work, but English is enhance and just your beauty of speaking, your beauty of means personality. So therefore, it's necessary, I think. Apart from
Yeah,
yeah,
everyone is important.
yeah, apart from career and for career, it's necessary. Okay. And
Yes.
learning process is never means end. It's a endless process. Okay, Learning is endless process.
Yeah, nothing is not no ending.
Yeah,
Learning
yeah.
everyone field.
Uh-huh.
Age also learning.
Yes, therefore I am interested to learn more and more. And when you are starting learning, you feel that so many means weakness, so many means problem you find about yourself.
Mm. Yeah.
Okay,
There's
therefore,
many things.
uh
We are know our mother tongue, but don't know other languages.
okay.
That's why no many.
Okay, do you know Hindi?
A little bit that much I don't know. We are only learning with
Okay,
people.
okay, 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 okay. Great, great. And what
Yeah,
is
I
your
cannot
what is your future goal? What do you want to become in future?
become a teacher after that. If retired, I am learning.
Okay, okay, great, 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 great. So for if you want to become a teacher, then you have to do means B.Ed.
I completed my B.Ed. I'm first year MA student,
Okay, okay, great,
Master of
great,
Arts.
great, great. And after B.Ed, just you have to means prepare, you have to face a competitive
Yeah.
exam of PGT.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes, I'm preparing next year some
Hmm.
CTET and TET.
Okay.
These are exams.
Have you appeared in CTET early?
Yeah, I clear my CTET. No, I'm not clear CTET, but I clear my TET.
Okay, 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 okay. Great, great, and yeah, God bless you that you will become a good teacher.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, says I.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, okay, great, great. Have you nice day. Okay, bye bye.
Thank